Thanks for watching the videos. I hope you're having a great D23. And yeah, anyways, let's go do this.
So this is the hollow tile floor. It is the first multiple person, multi-user, multi-directional treadmill floor. Any number of people can be on this floor walking, for instance, in virtual reality. They will never bump into each other. They will never walk off the floor. We call it the hollow tile floor.
When you step on it, your foot only touches the highest point because there's another one next to it that prevents your foot from doing that angle. So what happens is with your foot touching there, and we turn this, it moves your foot along this axis. So if we put the high part over here, now it's going to move you side to side. So this is your gas and this is your steering wheel.
So this is the mock-up for the Beauty and the Beast ride in Tokyo Disneyland. In Paris, they're going to build a World of Frozen. It should be opening in 2026. They are renaming that park from Walt Disney Studio Park to Disney Adventure World. Also at Disney Adventure World, they're getting a new Lions King land, and the model shows a new log flume ride, which looks pretty incredible with the Pride Rock on top. Cast members said that the Lion King's going to come out and roar periodically. It sounds really incredible. We can't wait to see it.
It will be plugged in the studio park.
Pretty excited to hear that Disney's going to build a Monsters Inc. land at Disney Hollywood Studios in Orlando, and they also announced that they're going to be building this door coaster, and it's their first suspended coaster, and we can't wait to see you on the scare floor.
Vehicle to catch for our third attraction coming to Avengers Campus at Disney California Adventure. So this one is Avengers Infinity Defense. Guests will be able to board this vehicle and it's able to hover, fly, keep up with the fastest Avengers. Most importantly, it can open portals between worlds, so you can visit places like Asgard, Wakanda, New York, and battle King Thanos alongside your other heroes. It's part of a major expansion for Avengers Campus that's going to double the size and have not just this attraction, but a fourth attraction.
We're pretty excited to hear that Magic Kingdom Park is expanding with a new Villains Land. You can see in the concept art the Maleficent Dragon, and there looks like there may be coaster track in the back. We sure hope so. Here's some concept art for the new Avatar themed land at Disney California Adventure. It's going to be based on the Way of the Water and Fire and Ash. Looks like there's going to be a water ride where you're on a boat. This is in addition to the other rides at Disney California Adventures, the Infinity Defense, the Start Flight Lab, and also a Coco ride. It looks like the Disney Treasure is going to be an incredible ship. Check out these stern figures of Peter and Hook. They're putting these on the front of the ship. It looks incredible. They're also going to have a Haunted Mansion parlor where foolish mortals can sip their cocktails. Looks like they put a lot of work in making this area very special for the fans. We all know Haunted Mansion fans are pretty dedicated, and this looks pretty exciting. They're also going to have a Plaza de Coco restaurant, a festive theatrical dining experience there, and a World of Marvel immersive dining experience. Sounds pretty cool. But check out these ghost fish. And here's a closer look at some of the textiles, the artifacts, and the items that they'll be using to make this a pretty great experience.
Echo.
Echo.
She's actually due for a feeding, so I'm going to take her back pretty quick.
Ah.
But before I do, does anybody want to take a photo with her?
I know.
In 2005, Disney was on a mission to rebuild and reimagine the company. That's why they hired Bob Iger and me. I remember this clearly because it was during the auditioning process of Hannah Montana. There was a buzz in that Burbank Disney office where it's rumored that they create all of us Disney kids. I definitely wasn't created in a lab, and if I was, there must have been a bug in the system which caused me to malfunction somewhere between the years of 2013 and 60.
Think of Indiana Jones without the march that introduces him. Think of Princess Leia without the gentle flute that plays her hymn. Or the opening crawl of the Star Wars films without its incredible orchestra.
Bum. Immediately brings a smile to my face.
What it means to have that incredible theme that he creates for his characters. It's a wonderful experience.
The greatest composer, conductor in the universe, John Williams.